Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss an important topic of junior classes, that is percentage. Students, let's start. Students, let us know what is percentage basically. Students, let's see. Percent is derived from the Latin word percentum. From the Latin word percentum, meaning per hundred. Percent is derived from the Latin word percentum, meaning per hundred. It means percentum. Percent, per upon hundred, per upon hundred. Student, the symbolic form of percentage is this. We can represent the percent from this symbol. Student, let us take an example. What the means of 2%? 2% is can be written as 2% in the symbolic form. It means percent. 2 per 100 means 2 upon 100. Like 3%, student, like 3%, it means 3 upon 100, means 4%, 4 upon 100, 5%, 5 upon 100, and so on. Students, now start converting fraction into percent. Converting fraction into percent. Student, let's take an example. 2 upon 5, this is a fraction, this is your numerator and this is your denominator. What the process and method to change this fraction into percent? Student, there are two methods. First of them is, first we have to change its denominator as 100. We have to convert its denominator as 100. Means we have to multiply in this number so that it will become 100. Student, we want 5 as 100, then we multiply by 20. And you know, students, we can multiply denominator 20, it means as well as in numerator 20. This is the equivalency of the fraction. This is the equivalency of the fraction. Means 20 upon 20. Multiply with denominator and denominator with 20. 20 to the 40, and this is now 100. This is now 100. Means fraction, denominator of a fraction become 200. It means 140 upon 100. 2 upon 100, 2%. 3 upon 100, 3%. 40 upon 100 means 40%. I hope it's clear, student. The next method, if there are a fraction 2 upon 5, then we multiply with 100, then we multiply by 100 into its denominator. Then we will get 200 upon 5, 5 4s are 20, 0, it means 40%. Student, next question 3 upon 7, we have to change its denominator as 100, then we multiply by 100 because 7 is the prime number. So multiply with 100, it will become 700. Student, 3 into 100, 300 upon 7 into 1 upon 100. Now what is this? 300 upon 7. You can divide of 300 by 7, you will get 42.8. And what the means of 1 upon 100? Per upon 100. 1 upon 100 means percent. 2%, 2 upon 100. This is your 42.8%. Now 1 by 2. We will have to make its denominator as 100. Then we multiply by 50 its denominator and its numerator as well as. Student, it will give you 100 and this is your 50. Now 50 upon 100, 50%. 2 upon 100, 2%. 3 upon 100, 3%. This is your 50%. I hope it's clear. Student, let us take another example. Student, let us suppose there are two students in a class, Amol and Achman. Amol said he got 330 marks out of 350 and Achman said he got 340 marks out of 370. Can you tell whose percentage is greater? Whose percentage is greater? Can you tell in between Amol and Achman whose percentage is greater? Students, let us see. Try to solve this question using fraction. Student, first Amol got 330 marks out of 350. Then you can write it, cancel out 33 upon 35. Now changing fraction into percentage, first of all we have to change its denominator as 100. Then we multiply with 100 its numerator as well as its denominator. It will give 32 into 100 upon 35 into 1 upon 100. This is your 3300 upon 35. We will divide 3300 by 35. We will get 94.28. And what it means? What it means, 1 upon 100 means percent. It means 1 upon 100 means percent. This is your 94.28%. Amol got 94.28%. Now for the Achman, he got 340 marks out of 370. It means in the simplest form, 0 cancel out 34 upon 37. Then we will change into a percentage form. We will multiply with 100 its denominator as well as denominator and numerator both. This will give 34 into 100 upon 37 into 1 upon 100. This is 3400 upon 37. We will divide it. You will get 91.89, and this is the means of 1 upon its percent. Student, now you can compare for both students. Amol got 94.28% and Achman got 91.89%. We know that 94.28 is greater than 91.89. So we can say Amol got good marks than Achman. Percentage of marks, Amol's marks percentage is greater than Achman. Amol got highest percent than Achman. I hope it's clear. Student, let us take another example. Let us take, student, if there are 20 balls in a bag. There are 20 balls in a bag in which greens are 6, red are 4 and yellow are 10. Then what the percentage of balls in this bag? Student, let's see. Question first, percentage of green balls out of 20 total balls. Percentage of green balls out of 20. Total balls, how many balls in the bag? 20 balls. 6 upon 20. Then what we have? We have to change fraction into percentage. First of all, we have to change its denominator as 100. Then we multiply by 5 to make it 100. 25 is 100. 5 denominator as well as numerator by the equivalency rules of the fraction. This will give 30 upon 100. It means 30 into 1 upon 100. 30 as it is, and 1 upon 100 means percent. Means percentage of green ball to the total balls is 30%. Now percentage of red balls, students. Percentage of red ball. There are 4 red balls. That means 4 out of 20. We have to change its denominator as 100. Then we multiply with 5 as well as numerator and denominator. We will get 20 upon 100. 20 as it is, and 100 means percent. This is your 20%. So student, yellow balls 10 into 5 upon 20 into 5. This is your 50%. I hope it's clear, student. So there are some questions for your homework. Convert fraction into percent. 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 30 and 1 upon 10. Student, now the next topic, converting decimal to percentage. 0.75. First convert to decimal number into the fraction which has denominator as 0. 100. Which has denominator as 100. Then first we will convert it decimal into fraction. 0.75 means we will convert it fraction. Student, upon 1. We can write it 0.75 is equal to 0.75 upon 1. Now, to make its denominator 100, we will multiply with 100 its numerator as well as its denominator. This will give 0.75 into 100. This is 75 upon 100. It means 75%. I hope it's clear. The next one, 0.09. Student, 0.09 means we can add 0.09 is equal to 0.09 upon 1. Now we will multiply with 100. It's both numerator and denominator. We will get 9 upon 100. It means 9%. Like 0.2 upon 1 multiply with 100. It's 20 upon 100. It means 20%. I hope it's clear, students. So there are some questions for your work. Convert decimal into percentage. 0.50, 0.4, 0.06, 0.32 and 5.43. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much.